Good morning, friends. In previous video, we have discussed the distance formula in 2D and 3D. Now, we have to discuss a section formula in basically in 2D. Okay, you you have you all already know what is the section formula. If there is a 2 points A and B, and if there is a point P and P divide that line segment in M1 is to M2 ratio, then we get the coordinates of P as, say, this one is x1 comma y1, this is x2 comma y2. We get m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2 comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. You all know very well, but sometimes in interview they ask, can you prove this section formula? So that point of view we have to discuss it. Okay, I I have already draw this diagram. As you connect it, but I draw with it basics, so you will definitely connect it. Okay, let's start. Let's say AB is a line segment, and this AB is a line segment. Here A, and there is a point P that's divided in the ratio M1 and M2. You have to draw a similar in distance formula, draw some perpendiculars. Okay, similarly like this. We have A here, B here, P here. The coordinates are here, and the ratios M1 and M2. Okay, there are some perpendicular. What is the logic behind it? Is the similarity of triangles. Okay, the similarity of triangle is say when two triangles are similar, then the ratios of their corresponding sides are equal. Okay, now in this diagram we have two triangles. Consider PAQ, PAQ and BPC. They both are similar to each other. Why? Because this angle is 90 in both. Okay, and as you say, for this I can change. For this, okay, this line, the angle in every space, if this is theta, this line is parallel to this line, this is also theta, and this line is also parallel to this line and also parallel to this line, so this is also. So by angle criterion criterion These both are similar. Now, what further? So this is similar. Now the ratio of their corresponding sides are equal. Now first we take PA. Okay, PA upon, if we take PA, then what is here? BP. You can also check here for PA, then BP. BP is equal to AQ is PC is equal to PQ and BC. Okay. Now, what is PA here? PA is M1. Basically, M1 is the distance between AP and, you say that if we take a PA and PB is some comes out like 40 and 50. The distance between PA and comes 40 and PB is 50. Now we write in its simplest form is equal to 4, 5. So if it ratio we can write it like that. So this is M1. So M1 is a distance or a simplest form of ratio between them. So this is M1. What is B? What is BP? M2. Now, what is AQ here? What is AQ? AQ is nothing but this is x coordinate. Okay, this is x coordinate, and this is x1 coordinate. In previously we will discuss how to find that. This is x minus x1. Okay, this is x minus x1. X minus x1. Similarly, what is this? This is x2. Okay, and this is x. What is this? This is x2 minus x. Okay. Similarly, for PQ, this is y and y1. So we write y minus y1. And for BC, this is y2 minus y. Okay, y2 minus y. I think you all are connected. Now let's solve first two. Okay, this what we get, m1 m2 is equal to x minus x1 upon x2 minus x. Now cross multiplication by doing cross multiplication. Okay, we get m1 x2 minus x is equal to m2 x minus x1. Now m1 x2 minus m1 x is equal to m2 x minus m2 x1. Okay, what quantity we know? We have here, right? Consider any 2 points x1 y1 b x2 y2. Assume that p of xy. We have to find xy, and all we know, what we know? We know all values of x1 y1, x2 y2, m1 and m2. In this case, we all know that. So what here comes? We have to find x. then put x aside, like m1 x2, put this quantity in there. What we get? M plus of m2 x1 and x here. So m1 x plus m2 x. So m1 x2 plus m2 x1 is equal to m1 plus m2 x. So what we get? X is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 is m1 plus m2. This is simple calculation, simple algebra. You get it. I hope you understand and connect it. Okay. Similarly for y, similarly for y, I not proof and I not doing this algebra for y. This is a homework for you. The y is m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. Okay, you can find yourself. If you not get it, please comment on that. Okay, this is a simple proof in interviews. It's likely asked. The main concept behind is similarity of triangles and ratios. Okay, and ratio. Now see some application here. Simple application of midpoint. I can change the color. What if A and B are 2 points and there is a point P x comma y and say A is x1 y1 x2 y2. So if xyp is a midpoint of AB, what is the value of P? We know all P is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. But how? Here is simple. If this is a midpoint, so this distance and this distance is equal. So PA and PB is PA and P, say PA is equal to 4. Let's say 4. And PB also is equal to 4. So what we get? 1, 1. Can cancel it in simplest form. So we get 1, 1. So what is the ratio here? 1 is to 1. If you put 1 is 1 in this x and y, we get put m1 is equal to 1, we get x2. m2 is equal to 1, we get x1. What is 1 plus 1? That is 2. So you get this. Okay, this is a application. You can also